How to change background in Google Meet. First of all, I'll show you how to do it before you join a meeting, then I'll show you how to do it during a meeting. So before you join a meeting, you'll see this screen here on the left hand side of your camera. At the bottom right hand side of it, you'll see the little circle with a person in it. It says change background. Click on there. Then you'll be able to click on whichever background you'd like there. You've got plenty of options. You can also blur it too by clicking on one of these two. You've got like a thicker blur on the other one as well. And if you want to change it back to no blur, you can just click that icon there. Now, during a meeting, obviously click join now for this. And then once you're actually in there, you want to go to the bottom right hand side of the screen where you see the three little dots. Then you'll see change background on this little pop-up menu here. Click on that. Then you have the same type of menu where you can click any of these backgrounds here. You can also do the blur the same and change it to have just a regular background. You can also click plus to have a custom image as well. Leave a like, comment and subscribe if that did help you out.